How to get voucher codes in Vivamax. So we will be using a third-party selling site, which is going to be Lazada. So just head directly to a new tab and look for lazada.com. Now this is going to be a subscription that we'll be purchasing out, so that we'll be given a voucher code for free. Now on Lazada's official site, you can go ahead and log into your account so you can place the specific product that we'll be purchasing directly to your cart and purchase it without any problems. Now on your search bar, just simply type in Vivamax and you will be given out a multiple results. So all you just have to do is to choose on your desired specific subscription for you to be able to have a free voucher code in it. So anyway, or any of these options will be given out a free voucher code. So that's it. That's how you get a Vivamax voucher code.